In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your store on Whop. By the end of this guide, you'll have your store up and running, ready to reach a wider audience and showcase your products with ease. First things first, let's log into your Whop account. Head over to the Whop website and enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there are options to reset it, so don't worry, just follow the prompts to regain access smoothly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your main control center where you'll have access to various tools and settings for your store. Now, direct your attention to the settings section. From there, navigate to either Store or Store page. This is where you'll begin customizing your store to suit your brand's style and needs. Now it's time to add some essential details about your store. Think of this as filling out a profile. Start with the basics. Your store's name, which is the first thing your customers will see when they visit your store page. You'll also want to upload a logo or profile picture that effectively represents your brand. Following the visuals, craft a compelling description or about section. This is your opportunity to tell your story, explain what your store is all about, and highlight any unique features or selling points. Don't forget to include contact info so customers can easily reach you with inquiries, enhancing their trust and engagement. After setting up your store details, it's time to work on customizing the appearance of your store page. This is where your store's personality can truly shine. Choose colors, banners, and layout options that resonate with your brand's identity. A well-coordinated color scheme and aesthetically pleasing layout can leave a lasting impression on visitors and entice them to explore further. This stage is crucial for establishing a cohesive brand image. With the appearance set, you'll want to add products to your store. You can either link existing products if you've sold through other platforms, or create new ones directly within Whop. This step ensures your customers have something to browse and purchase, so take the time to create detailed product listings with attractive images and descriptions that effectively present your offerings. Next, let's focus on the financial aspects of your store. It's crucial to set up your payment and payout options. Ensure your store is connected to your preferred payment processors such as PayPal, Stripe, or Coinbase. This will facilitate smooth transactions and ensure that you can receive payments promptly from your customers, maintaining a seamless buying experience. Before your store goes live, review everything. Double check your store details, appearance, products, and payment settings to ensure everything is just as you want it. Once you're satisfied, click the Publish button. Congratulations, your store is now live for everyone to see. Finally, share your store. Whether through social media, email newsletters, or word of mouth, let people know about your new Whop store. The more you share, the more potential customers you can attract. That's it for today. Setting up your store on Whop is straightforward, and following these steps will put you well on your way to running a successful online storefront. Good luck and happy selling!